Hey, this is Yvette with Vanderbrink Auctions. It's a nice sunny day in the Midwest. That's right, there's no snow to be found anywhere. And I've got a big auction announcement for you. That's right, I want to save and mark it on the calendar and plan to be by Fremont, Nebraska, the first weekend in October 3rd weekend. We're going to be selling one of my favorite things to sell is General Motors. That's right, we're going to have approximately 300, mainly Impalas from 58 to the 70s, along with Corvettes, Tri-5s, and everything from originals, restored, to a lot of project and parts cars. So I'm just going to show you part of it. There's some in other locations. We're just getting started, but this is big. If you remember the Colorado auction, this is bigger. And this is going to be October 3rd weekend. So here's your quick peek, and I'll give you some more. So I'm standing on the back of my pickup, and this is just one field. And everything in the back is 58, 59, all the way 60, 61, 62, 63, 4, 5, 6, 7, and Tri-5s. Remember, this is just one field, and then we also have another location and some buildings. There's wagons, 2-doors, 4-doors, 409 cars, El Caminos, everything. It all sells. We're just getting going. We do not have inventory yet. And I'll jump down here and walk around. All right, I'm going to jump down. Okay, let's take a walk. All right. This is our project parts cars. And they will be organized. That's what the guys are working on right now. The better vehicles are inside in other locations. And we're also going to have some C10 pickups, a few square bodies. And we'll have inventory as we get going. Like I said, the Impalas go from 58 to 70. This family really loved Impalas. They're pretty known for their Impalas. So we'll just show you down a couple rows here. Here's some 59s. All right. And it keeps going. We're going to have 5 acres of cars. Whoa, Nelly. I'm not going to walk the whole thing today, but look at that. We're just getting rolling them up. And again, like I said, we got another building full of Corvettes. We have Chevelles and Tri-5s, and they are in a different location. Is that crazy or what? Here's a whole bunch of 65s. Everything, 2-door hardtops. SS's, 409 cars, 4-doors, good parts cars, wagons. we have another section or another location that is 60, 61, and 62. We'll show you that when they get here. This is a great sale for patina cars to work with. Again, we have some super nice originals. The guys have a whole bunch of parts we're looking at and seeing what we want to do. But this is one for the books again. I'll go up here. Nice wagon. This will be live on site with online bidding. There's some Chevelles down there. 64, 63s. Pretty crazy. See if I can go on top of the hill here. It's a nice wagon. But there's your sneak peek. This is going to be October 3rd weekend by Fremont, Nebraska. Make sure to follow us, like and share YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the updates. And then on our website, vanderbrinkauctions.com. Watch for more details. This is exciting. And if you're a GM person, and especially Impalas, you won't want to miss this. See ya October 3rd weekend, Fremont, Nebraska.